Hello everyone, today we are going to study the topic matrices and determinants. Firstly, we'll be studying what is a matrix. So, let me start with the first slide. So, a matrix is a rectangular array of number, real or complex. The numbers in an array can be real, complex, negative, positive. Okay, we represent a matrix in a form like this. We can write elements here, 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 or anywhere if you want. Okay, the representation of a matrix is shown here. So we represent a matrix where the first element is a1 1, a1 2, and so on up to a1 n. And when we come down in the second row, a2 1 and so on up to a2 n. So the element of a matrix is defined by a, I, j, where I and j can be any number according to the number of rows and columns you are choosing. And a row in a matrix is represented by this. The horizontal line is a row and the column is the vertical line. And the mth element from jth column can be represented by m row, and jth column can be represented by this. And let me tell you what is the order of a matrix. A matrix with m number of rows and n columns has an order m is to n. Like we can see in this example, a matrix is like this: 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 8, 2. How many rows are there? We can see that there is row number 1, row number 2. So the order of matrix A will be 2 cross, and number of columns we can see here 1, 2 and 3. So the number of columns are 3. So the order of a matrix A is 2 by 3. Likewise here in matrix B, the number of rows are 1, 2 and 3. So the order of B is 3 cross, and the number of columns are only 2. And in the last part, the C order for C is 3 by 3. You can see it from the previous only how 3 by 3 is coming. Okay, and let me tell you an example. A matrix has 6 elements. What is the possible number of columns it can have? Means 16 elements are there in a matrix. Okay, the possible orders of the matrix are 1 cross 16, means there can be 1 row and there can be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4 up to 16 elements. Okay, there can be 2 rows also. Sorry. Here we can see that 1 row and 16 columns. 1, 2, 3 and up to 16. Here are first column, second column, third column and so on, 16 columns. And likewise there can be 2 rows, there can be 2 rows and 8 columns, 4 rows and 4 columns. These are the multiples of 16 elements. So the number of possible columns are 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. In example 2, we can see that write the given matrix by the rule Aij. The ith and jth element of the ij element of a matrix is given by 1 by 3 minus I plus 1 by 4 minus j. So first of all we can see that I cannot be greater than or equal to 3. So I will be only 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and here j cannot be greater than or equal to 4. So j is equals to, j can take value 1, 2 and 3. Hence the order of a matrix is 2 by 3. So now what we will do, we will put 1 by 1 the value of I and j. The matrix of the order is 2 by 3. So it will be of the type here elements, element, here. Okay. So we can put the element here is a1 1. So we'll put in the place of I and j 1 comma 1. So when we put it here 1, so the first element comes out to be 5 by 6. Likewise when we put here in the second element 1 comma 2, the element comes out to be 1, and likewise in the other elements are given here. So the matrix at the final becomes 5 by 6, 1, 3, 2. It's a 2 by 3 matrix. Thank you.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.